Hey guys, so here we go. We're playing another game of Fashion Frenzy, or whatever it's called, Fashion Famous. Sorry guys, it used to be called that. Ooh, Princess or King. Well, looks like we're dressing up to look like Audrey today. Well, as soon as it closes, up here. You know what? I'm gonna go get hair done first. Audrey has like this braid to the side. It's kind of like that. What can you do? Like that. I got too much clothes. Let's see here. I don't want that. Now let's go put on some clothes because we can't go up there without any clothes on. That doesn't seem right. So we need to first color our hair. Audrey has brown. Okay, let's go.
Can't finish drinking wine.
Okay, so let's see here. Finally, here we go. Click that, and I'm going to change it later. No, this one. Yeah. Let's see here. Go around checking the other ones. Actually, maybe I'll do this one. Yes, that looks perfect. Okay, let's go. Let's get a armor. Okay, first let's go get a face. Oh no. Don't tell me. Why does he keep doing this to me? You know what? Let's stop playing this game, because it's not. You know what? Let's work here. Let's work on our Ursula's Fish and Chips restaurant. First, let's open our restaurant. Restaurant. Open. Let's go check out the name. Make sure the name's out there. And let's check out our rating. 2.5 stars. How much money do you have? Wow, a lot of money. Well, I'm gonna go around and get something done real quick. Let's go see if there's anything to add to buy. Thinking of maybe buying that beach one. see if there's anything I can. So this, and now we're gonna go down, and we're gonna go to our restaurant, type any money or anything that needs to be done, and add our new TV. But can't really make it too old, and a TV that really works. So that goes usually down and then I'll go off. That's right, we need okay. So it looks like everything's done smoothly. Yay. Okay, so I need to work on some things. I need to buy chairs for these areas.
Yeah.
4.
You got mail.
Okay, so now we have a 3.2 rating. I'm gonna hire more workers. Then the bar. It's time to go shopping. Let's go. I will shift work here. We'll put speed. Okay guys, so I stopped the video while you guys were away, I added a few things, as you can see, to my thing. First thing I did was I added chairs to this table. I also added this thing right here, and bar twist. Added a few more workers. I added a seat to my table. Looks like I can't sit on it, but that doesn't matter. Let's look at what we have. This one, I can't afford a delicious meal. The staff quality was quite bad. Okay. Meh. Thank you for the experience. I'm likely to come back here. I quite liked it. It filled my stomach. Low average, meh. Really? Well, if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and like the video. Also, if you do, I'll give you a shout out if you subscribe. So please like the video and subscribe if you liked it. And please tell me in the comments below what you liked about it. Thank you for watching. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.